1960s and 70s. It's Christmas in Mena, Arkansas. Cousins, some local, some travel in to meet up at Grandma's. Each Christmas it was pick out a gift from the catalog boards or Sears. Each knew we were Grandma's favorite, more so through the years.
Front yard it was football, KC Chiefs versus the Dallas Cowboys. Tea party with Grandma for the girls and Lincoln Logs for all the boys.
Grandpa would play the fiddle while Grandma would read us a book. We'd take a break for hide and seek. Close your eyes, don't you look.
Supper time was special, then off with Grandma to feed three-legged Polly.
Christmas lights are blinking while Uncle Lou is singing carols to make us jolly. Opening gifts, but each waiting for that one from the catalog, Grandma's special one. She had saved all year long to make sure our Christmas was filled with fun.
Only one thing we saw could stop the attention she loved to give us. It's game time, the Razorbacks on television. Lordy, stop the bus.
We learned she loved her kids, us grandkids, and those blessed hogs. She loved her garden, canning and cooking, and her old hound dogs. If you're looking down, Grandma, we sure miss you. So much of who we are, a blessing because of you. Wonderful thing is cousins, old dogs, and those red hogs. Gives us such a peaceful feeling. Off to sleep, it's cutting along.